Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video, and today I've got something special for you. It's another watch that has an aviation look, and you guys know I love these aviator watches. Um, Everybody's got the diver watches. The diver watches are really popular, but I really do love these aviator watches. And this one is a really nice one that I'm going to be showing you guys in just a second. But before I get started, I just wanted to shout out to all of you guys, all my current subscribers, and say thank you guys all so much. I really do appreciate all of your interaction with the channel. Every time you hit that subscribe button, it really does help out. And I really do appreciate all your liking, your commenting, and all of your general interaction with the channel. Couldn't appreciate you guys more. If you guys have any questions about anything or any comments you want to leave, put those in the comment section below. I'll be sure to answer as many questions as I can. And I always have more watches coming in. So if you are new to this channel, I'm Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if you want to check out my website, davethewatchman.com, I do post watches on my website, so you guys can head on over and check out these watches and pick them up on my website. They are affiliate links. They do not cost you anything to use those links, but it does send a few dollars over to me as a commission, and I really do appreciate that very much. So without further ado, let's open up this box and show you guys which watch I do have for you today. It is a watch from the company PARAS Crown. PARAS Crown makes a pretty decent watch from what I hear, and they did look very nice online, so I figured I'd buy one and check it out. Do a review for you guys on it. So let's take a look at what we got today. Okay, so it's got a kind of nice looking box. It's got the aviator look right on the box too as well, which I really thought was kind of cool. It does come with the instruction manual, which shows you how to operate it. So that's pretty handy to have that. Comes with a cleaning cloth for your watch and the warranty card, certificate of warranty. So let's take a look at what we got here. All right. So it looks like it's got a silicone strap on it. Now this watch was also available with a black strap, and it came in silver and gold as well. Same watch, but a little bit of a different look. All right, so I'm looking at this watch now, and I really kind of like it. I like the detail on the face of this watch. It's very nice. And when I tell you guys what the price is on this watch, you're not even going to believe it. Like, I'm actually very impressed with it for the price. So this watch has a Japanese quartz movement and a sapphire crystal. And guys, I'm really amazed by the way this thing looks. I mean, this is a really nice looking aviator watch. It's more understated, but very nice. It's a very nice, classy looking watch. It has the silicone strap, like I said before. It is 50 meters of water resistance with a stainless steel case and the sapphire crystal. It's the PC 6005 watch by PARAS Crown. Very nice watch with the aviator look. It does have those sub dials there with the seconds, the minutes, and the 24-hour clock. Really nice looking. They're framed in that kind of like that gold looking brass kind of looking holders on the sides of the gauges, which is really nice. I love what they did with the hands on this thing. How they've got that little cutout in the middle there. That's really cool. I like it. I think this is a really nice watch. And guys, for the price on this thing, my God, you're not going to believe it. You can pick this thing up on Amazon right now. The price is around 80 bucks, and there's a $20 coupon. So you can pick up this watch for $60. And this watch is very nice for that price. With the Japanese quartz movement and the sapphire crystal, it's very well spec'd. This watch is, like I said, also 50 meters of water resistance. And what I really like about the band is the silicone, like I've said before with these silicone bands, sometimes they're very uncomfortable because they hold the sweat in. But with these ribs that they've put in there, very nice for the moisture wicking. So let's see what the illumination looks like on this thing as I hold it up to the light here for just a second and take a look at it. Yeah, it's pretty good illumination. So the lume is really nice on this thing. It's kind of like an aqua color as opposed to a straight green, which is pretty nice. You see that? So really nice watch from PARAS Crown. I mean, I'm pretty impressed with this brand. So you guys can expect to see quite a few more of these on this channel because I'm probably going to order a few more of them. Not that I need any more watches, but I like my watches. I just love to get new watches in. So let's see what the doesn't have an MSRP on it, but like I said, guys, you can pick this thing up right now on Amazon with that $20 coupon. Not sure how long that's going to last, but with that $20 coupon, you can pick this thing up for 60 bucks. And I would definitely jump on that. And like I said, if you don't like the green and the black, they did have a black silicone band with gold and silver case on this thing. So definitely head on over, use that affiliate link below, head on over, check this guy out. It's a really nice watch. I don't think you'll be disappointed. I'm not disappointed. I really think it's a nice looking watch. I would definitely wear this thing out. I just think it's a real sharp and classy looking Aviator watch, and I think that it fits the wrist really, really nicely. So this is a go for me. But I will be posting that affiliate link below. Once again, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. If you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as pressing on that subscribe button always does help out. I do appreciate it very, very much. And like I said before, if you are in the market to buy this watch, I would definitely appreciate it if you clicked on that affiliate link because it does help out the channel by sending me a few dollars, and it doesn't cost you anything more to do it. So if you have any questions about this watch or any of the other watches that I have here or any of the watches that I'm wearing, just leave that in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you guys as soon as I can and answer as many questions as I can. So until next time, I'm Dave the Watchman, and I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. I hope you guys all have a great weekend. Thank you. Thank you again for watching. Please check out my other videos for more budget-friendly watch reviews. And if you'd like to become a member, please click on the join button to see what membership options we do have available so that you can support the channel in real time. Once again, please click on that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. Thank you guys all so much for watching and helping this channel grow. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much, and have a great day.